This is possibly the single biggest mistake beginners make while selecting a niche. They do not check how the demand for products in the niche varies over a year. You do not want to spend 3 to 4 months working on a site that generates revenues for only 2 months in a year. That can be very demoralizing. You want to create niche sites that generate revenues all year round. Demand for certain goods and services varies over a year according to the season. For instance, if you are selling snow shovels, you know for certain that the demand is going to be at its maximum in winter and fall to near zero over the summer months. Likewise, swimwear, bathing suits, and the like sell very well in the summer months and the demand falls steeply during the winter months. And Halloween costumes sell extremely well in September and will most likely have near zero demand in February and March. It's the same with several other niches as well. Demand exists only during certain months of the year, and for the rest of the year, the demand curve is flat. If you do not take the time to analyze if such demand patterns exist in your niche, then you may be in for an unpleasant surprise. After building out the site, you may discover you missed the peak buying season by a month and will have to wait for several months before demand picks up again. Now, not every niche is seasonal, but some are. Designer clothing, computer accessories, DVDs, high-end cosmetics, and electronics sell all year round. If you build sites in these niches, you can expect a steady stream of revenues every month, all year round. On the other hand, prom dresses, swimwear, Halloween costumes, scarves, heavy coats, sweaters, and the like are seasonal. The demand peaks for maybe 1 or 2 months and afterward the demand curve is flat. Some folks, completely unaware of the seasonal nature of the niche they picked, do the keyword research during the peak buying season, build their sites, build a lot of links, and even rank for the phrases they wanted to rank for, and then they discover their site is not getting any sales or traffic. That certainly is not a pleasant situation to be in, which is why you need to take the time to figure out if a certain niche you happen to choose is seasonal or not. In the next video, we will see exactly how to do this.